Good evening, guys. Good evening. Just tell me my voice is clear or not? My voice is clear or not? Just tell me. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Just tell me my voice is clear or not? Please send me hi so I can understand that how many of you have joined. Please send me hi so I can understand how many of you have joined. Good evening, everyone. Just tell me that how many of you have joined. So send me hi so I can understand. My voice and the video clear or not? I'm audible properly? Just tell me I'm audible properly. Okay. So let's see. So just wait for everyone to join in the line. We'll wait a bit. So let's see how many of others will join in the live. Please send me hi so I can understand that how many of you have joined. Please send me hi so I can understand. Please send me hi so I can understand. Good evening, everyone. Please send me hi so I can understand that how many of you have joined. Send me hi so I can understand that how many of you guys have joined. And on the left hand side, there is a one poll going on. On the left hand side, there is a one poll going on. Please mark that one. That which chapter I will discuss on the upcoming week. That which chapter I will discuss on the upcoming week. One poll is going on. Please check on the chat box. Please check on the chat box that one poll is going on. Please mark that which chapter I have given that in the upcoming weeks, which chapter I will discuss. I'm requesting everyone, please mark on the chat box and see there are some topic given. So which topic I will discuss on the upcoming week? Which topic I will discuss on the upcoming week? I hope you guys already revised your previous syllabus regarding the plant kingdom. I hope you guys revise your previous syllabus regarding the plant kingdom. We'll start 2 to 3 minutes later. Yes. Yes. There is there is a poll going on. Please mark on the poll so I can take the decision from that. Please mark on the poll. In the chat box, if you see, there is a poll going on, voting. So please mark that so I can understand. It's not required to write in the comment, just saying in the chat box. I hope you guys already revised the plant kingdom. Okay. Okay, so we are starting the session. Clear? I hope my voice is also clear. I hope my voice is also clear. There is no double voice today. There is no double voice today, is it? Please tell me. Is there any double voice? Is it clear properly? Is there any lag in the internet? Is there any issue in the internet? Is there any lagging? Please tell me that so I can start the session. Yes, good evening. Good evening, everyone. So just tell me, is there any lag in the internet? My voice is clear or not? Okay. Chalo, let's start the session. Please try to answer the question. Questions are very much easy. Here all the question given from PYQ, as you can see, 2013. After that, 2014 and 15 EIPMT was there. So I have not given any question from the EIPMT. Okay, only I have focused on the NEET paper. Only I have focused on the NEET paper. So 2016, 2 times NEET was there, phase 1 and phase 2, and after that up to 2025. So I have covered all the section. So first understand what about the paper for the plant kingdom and how we have to tackle. So if you are new, I'm requesting you, please go to my, especially my Telegram group and WhatsApp group. What about the classes? What about the class timing? All will be updated there. So if you have missed there any classes, all the updates, suppose the link or any other question answer type, PDF, all I will update in the Telegram and WhatsApp channel. Instagram, it's not required. please go to my WhatsApp and Telegram channel. So I'll update each and everything there. Okay. Now come to the main area. Whatever the question you can say, maybe in your, if you observe this particular screen in your phone, so it will be a bit difficult. Maybe let just listen that part. That from where the maximum number of questions are asking. From where the maximum number of questions are asking. See the reproduction part. Okay. Reproduction part, planned reproduction, because recently in the NEET syllabus or even in the NCERT book, planned all the life cycle deleted. Haplontic life cycle, diplontic life cycle, haplodiplontic life cycle, all are deleted. Remember that. But without that idea, we will not able to remember, the concepts. Remember that. We will not able to remember the concepts. Clear? Remember that. So, see that. Here you can see the reproductive biology, that means the meiosis part. Okay, zygotic meiosis, gametic meiosis, sporic meiosis, this kind of meiosis related question came, and I have specifically given the question number. Here, I have specifically given the question number. Then the plant life cycle that I told you already, that alternations of generations are usually present in the plants. So that related question came, and you can see the total number of question I have given here. Total number. Okay, how many question came? Plant adaptation related question, that where they actually grow, where they actually found, this related question also came, but total number of question was 3 question. Plant life cycle related question was 3 cycle, but remember that recently plant life cycle, this particular section deleted from the NCERT as well as from NEET syllabus. But without that concept, it will be very difficult for us to remember the other areas. Because if you see algae, bryophyte, pteridophyte, gymnosperm, major focused, it's given in the reproduction section. Plant classification and taxonomy, total 4 question came in the NEET paper. Total 4 question came in the NEET paper. Okay, from the algae, 3 question came. Clear? From the gymnosperm, 3 question came early. Pteridophytes and ferns, 2 question came. Ecological role of the plants, 2 question came from that part. Plant structure, 2 question came. And the fungi that I have mentioned here, although fungi is not the part of this particular chapter, fungi is not the particular part of this particular chapter, but understand that this fungi is basically related with the association, plants and fungal association, that is called as a, here this association related 1 question came. Okay, these are the actually previous year question that I have given the details. Okay, once you free, you just take the screenshot of this particular page. Okay, just take the screenshot of this particular page. So in further, you can actually study. Okay. Okay. Sure. Now the number of question. If we see the number of question, 2016 to 2022, 23 I have given, but as you can see, on and around 2018 and thereafter, the number of weightage is increased. Just check in the board. The 2018 to 2023, the number of weightage from the plant kingdom increased. As we know, animal kingdom is also one of the vital part of this particular unit. Plant kingdom is also one of the vital part of this unit. Clear? Remember that. Now, so please tell me what will be the answer. This question, already the discussion done this week. This week already the discussion done. Please tell me what will be the answer. In bryophyte and pteridophyte, the transport of the male gametes required. In bryophytes and pteridophytes, the transport of the male gamete requires. Very easy question. Very, very easy question. Try it quick. Quick. Very, very easy question. 2016 phase 1 question. 2016 phase 1. 2016 Phase 1. Yes, yes. Try it. Other, please try it. Very, very easy question. KG level question. And understand that by answering this type of question, you will be a doctor. So very, very easy question. Yes, 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 yes. Chalo. Some known face already came. Yes. It's a water. I don't think that there are such description required here. It's a very easy. Very easy. In bryophytes and pteridophytes, the male transportation of the male gamete required water. Okay. So that's why, especially for the bryophyte, it's called as an amphibian plant kingdom. Is it or not? Okay. Even they grow in those areas where waters are there. Minimum amount of water are there. Because one of the vital part in their life, it's a reproduction. And for the reproduction part, they have to transfer their gametes through the water. Clear? Chalo, going to the next one. Very easy question. This 2016 came. Now, we have to choose the wrong one. We have to choose the wrong one. Which one is a wrong here? Which one is a wrong here? Please choose the wrong one. We have to choose the wrong one. Please tell me which one is a wrong. Which one is a wrong? We have to choose the wrong one. Please tell me which one is the wrong. Try it. Be fast. Within 45 minutes, you have to solve the problems. NEET 2016 phase 2. Quick. Which one is a wrong? Last day discussion was done. Remember that last day discussion was done. 2016 phase 2 question. Right. Direct question. Tell me. Tell me which one is wrong here. Which one is wrong? Yes. So what will be the correct answer? Where in which point that is wrong? Because you just see algene is obtained from red algae given. Algene is obtained from red algae. And if you remember last day that line to line NCERT, during that time we have solved related to this kind of question. If you remember, we have solved related to this kind of questions. Okay. So algene obtained from red algae and carrageenan from the brown algae. Everything is given just the opposite one. Everything was bit right. Chalo, algene obtained from algae. Up to this we can understand. But what was the actual line? What is the actual line? That algene obtained from algene obtained from and carrageenan obtained from. Just tell me quick. Algene obtained from and carrageenan obtained from. Algene obtained from and carrageenan obtained from. Tell me quick. Algene obtained from. Quick answer me. Algene obtained from. Quick. Be fast. Algene obtained from. Quick. Tell me. Algene obtained from. We obtain the algene from. Quick. Why you guys are slow? Please tell me. Algene are obtained from. Algene are obtained from. Yes. So why that much of time is required? Yes. So the very simple idea is here that the thing is given quite correct, but in a opposite sense it's given. That algene given from red algae, which need to be brown, and caragreen need to be from red algae, which is given here as a brown. Clear? Remember that. So these kind of silly mistakes, silly type mistake will be given that we have to identify. So here the wrong one given, the wrong statement is a option number 2. Remember that. Yes, very good, very good. So here the wrong statement is a option number 2. Clear? Okay, I'm going to the next one. Very easy question. Just switch. Just switch the options. Okay, or the character. I'm going to the next one. Chalo. Conifers are adapted to tolerate extreme environmental condition because of very easy. Conifers related to that discussion also done last day. Conifers are adapted to tolerate extreme environmental condition because of why? Tell me, quick. Which character present in the conifers? We have studied related this information. Remember, we have studied this related information in the last day. Which option correct here? Conifers are adapted to tolerate extreme environmental condition because of quick. Everyone, try it. Try it quick. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer quick. Which character will be present? Which character will be present? Tell me which character will be present. Quick. Yes. Chalo. Everyone. Why one answer? Why only one answer? Yes. Everyone. Be in the super active mode. Everyone be in the super active mode. Yes. Why so late? One question need to be solved in 5 to 10 seconds. Remember that. One question need to be solved from 5 to 10 seconds. One question need to be solved from within 5 to 10 seconds. Remember that. So why so late? Yes, others, quick reply. Quick reply. So conifers are adapted to tolerate the extreme environmental condition because of thick cuticle. Remember that. I don't think the explanation is required here. Very easy. Direct NCERT line question given. No? I'm going to the next one. Everyone correct or not? I'm going to the next one. Now, example of colonial algae. Example of colonial algae. Quick. Which one is the example of colonial algae? Last day I told you guys to remember some notes or mark the points. So which one is a colonial algae? Quick. Colonial algae is a? Yes. Chalo, yes. Next. Everyone. Only from few answer is coming. Everyone. Colonial algae. Related to that, I think we have practiced match the following column last day. Related to that, we have practiced maybe match the following column last day. Which one is a colonial algae? Colonial algae is a volvox. Remember that. Volvox is a colonial algae. Is it or not? Volvox is a colonial algae. Remember that. Volvox is a colonial algae. Okay. Volvox is a colonial algae. Done? Done na? Yes. Chalo. Going to the next one. Select the mismatch. Which one is mismatch here? Which one is a mismatch here? Which one is a mismatch here? Which one is a mismatch here? Quickly tell me. Quickly tell me. Which one is a mismatch here? Quick. Which one is given wrong? Which one is given wrong? Tell me, tell me, tell me. Homosporous, heterosporous, chalo to we understand. Homosporous, heterosporous, chalo we can understand. But what about dioecious and what about the monoecious? What about the dioecious and what about the monoecious? Dioecious means both sexes are separated. Is it or not? Monoecious means one body having the two sexes. Quick, quick, quick. So tell me which one? Dioecious stands for both the sexes are separated. Monoecious means one body having the both sexes. You can say in the term of hermaphrodites. So which one? Which one here? Mismatch we have to identify. Only one answer came. Mismatch we have to identify. Only one answer came. What about the rest? What about the rest? Quick. Rest. Please, please, quick. Don't forget, because I told you this chapter particularly, it's based on that much number of examples are there. So important section of this chapter. Yes. Why you guys late? Why you guys late? Quick, quick, quick. Be fast. Why you guys late? Be fast. Don't be late. Quick. Give me the answer. Only two answer came. Only two answer came. Chalo, three answer came. Chalo, three answer came. Chalo, three answer came. Three answer came. Okay. So which one is a mismatch? Pinus. Because pinus is not dioecious. It's a monoecious. Remember that. Pinus is not a dioecious. It's a monoecious plant. Here. Remember that. Yes, yes. Pinus is a monoecious plant. Chalo, going to the next one. Going to the next one. Zygotic meiosis is a characteristics of 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 quick zygotic meiosis is a characteristics feature of zygotic meiosis observed in one line of the NCERT. It's clear cut written there. In one line of the NCERT, it's clear cut written. In one area of the NCERT, it's clear cut written. I know Dinesh Gaming, you are hyperactive. Yes, just only type 1. Multiple is not required. So, zygotic meiosis is a character of zygotic meiosis is a character of quick zygotic meiosis. Zygotic meiosis is a character of quick zygotic meiosis is a character of zygotic meiosis means after the zygote formation. After the zygote formation, they undergo to the meiosis. Okay. They undergo to the meiosis. Remember that. They undergo to the meiosis the after the meiosis. Remember that. After the zygote formation, they undergo to the meiosis. After the gamete, after the zygote formation, it's undergo to the meiosis. Which option is correct? Tell me. Which option? Quick. Only one answer came. Only one answer came. Only one answer came. So zygote undergo to the meiosis. Which one? Zygote undergo to the meiosis. Which one? Only one answer came. Quick. Everyone. Everyone try it. Why it's late? Why it's late? Why it late? Tell me. Which option? Chlamydomonas. Why it's Why it's so late? Why it's so late? Only one answer came. So zygote undergo to the meiosis. Remember that after the zygote formation, the zygote is the first diploid cell. Undergo to the meiosis. There is a chlamydomonas. Remember that. Chlamydomonas. Clear? Done? Done? Complete? Everyone done? Going to the next question. Which of the following statement is correct? Which of the following statement is correct? Which of the following statement is correct? Tell me. Which of the following statement is correct? Which statement is correct here? Which statement is correct here? Which statement is correct here? Click. Which statement is correct here? Which statement is correct here? Which statement is correct here? Tell me. Quick, 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 be fast. Everyone. Which statement is correct? Quick, quick, quick. Be fast, be fast. Which statement is correct here? Why you guys get stuck? Easy concept. Yes. Why you guys get stuck? Easy concept, na? Very easy concept. Which of the following statement is yes, yes, correct? Which of the following statement is correct? We have to identify the correct one. Question came in NEET 2018. NEET 2018. Yes. Yes. Why you guys are so late? Why you guys are so late? So option number 3. Ovules are not enclosed by the ovary wall in the gymnosperm. Okay, ovules are not enclosed by the ovary wall in the gymnosperm. So option number 3 is correct one. Clear? Okay, rest already we have studied. Rest already lines we have covered in the last day session. Remember that. Rest already we have covered in the last day session. Okay. Which one is wrongly matched? Which one is wrongly matched? Tell me which one is a wrongly matched here? Which one is a wrongly matched here? Which one is a wrongly matched? Which one is wrongly matched here? Which one is wrongly matched? Quickly tell me. Okay, okay, no issue. Aura sir, just attend the session. Now you become the Aura sir assistant. Okay. Quick, quick, answer me. Which one is wrongly matched here? Which one is wrongly matched here? Quickly tell me. Which one is wrongly matched? Yes. Yes, yes. Aura sir, which one is correct? Aura sir, which one is correct here? That means wrongly match. Question asking which one is wrongly match. Which one is wrongly matched here? Yes. Option number 3 is wrongly matched here. Option number 3. Okay. Option number 3. Remember that. Next. Because these are example based, so I'm not going to the details. Here, conceptual here, it's not required, so I'm not going to the details. Just direct line to line came, so that's why I'm not going to the details. Wing pollen grains are present in, 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 winged pollen grains are present in, winged pollen grains are present in, quick, 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 winged pollen grains are present in, wing pollen grains are present in, quick, 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 everyone, wing pollen grains are present in, quick, 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 wing pollen grains are present in, wing pollen grains are present in, wing pollen grains are present in, quick, 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 can you hear me, you guys? Be quick, be fast. Yes, 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 yes. Option number 4. Yes. Option number 4, pinus. Option number 4, pinus. Chalo, going to the next one. 2019. Pinus seed cannot germinate and establish without the fungal association. Fungal seed cannot germinate and established without the fungal association. This is because, will tell me the answer. This is because pinus seeds cannot germinate and established without fungal association. This is because, why this is occur? Pinus seed cannot germinate and established without fungal association. Why this is occur? Why this is occur? Which option? Tell me which option? Which option correct here? Which option correct here? Which option correct here? Which option correct here? Quickly tell me. Quickly tell me. Yes. Yes. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Yes. If there is a lag, I think there is a lag in the internet. I think there is a lag. I am there up to 30 question. I am there. Yeah. It's bit lagging. It's bit lagging. So please try to answer which one. Obviously, no mycorrhiza. Yes, correct. Because association is there. Mycorrhiza. Mycorrhizal association is there. Pinus root. It's an association with the fungi. No? So that is a mycorrhiza and coralloid root, cycas root and Cyanobacteria, that is a coralloid root. Coralloid root related also question came in the paper. Which of the following is a unicellular algae? Which of the following is a unicellular algae? Quickly try it. Which one is unicellular? I think it's came, na? I think right now it's came. I think it's came right now. Okay, tell me. Which of the following pairs of unicellular algae, which one is a unicellular? Which one is a unicellular? Tell me this. Which one? Related to that, already we have practiced one question earlier. Related to this, already we have practiced one question to earlier. Remember that. Already we have practiced one question earlier. We have practiced one question earlier. Related to this, already one question we have practiced earlier. Yes. Yes, quick, quick, quick. There is a bit internet down. So please tell me. Which one? Yes, Corella and Spirulina. Corella and Spirulina. Corella and Spirulina. Corella and Spirulina. Remember that. Related to this single cell protein, we have practiced early. Related to this single cell protein, we have practiced early. For every one of you, please remember one voting is going on in the chat box. Wherever you are typing, you can see on the top with the black color, one voting system, polling system is going on. That which chapter I will going to discuss on the next week. I have given 3 chapters name. So the maximum 61% vote came on the cell cycle and cell division. Till now 61% came on the cell cycle and cell divisions. Yes. I have some internet issues. I have applied GeoFiber for minimum 2 weeks done, but it's till now it's not installed. So I have to only run with my Geo connections, normal Geo connections. Okay. Done, na? Complete? Complete, na? There is a lag in here in the internet. Corella and Spirulina. Single cell protein, remember. Complete, na? Done? Okay. Strawberry or cones are found in. 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 Same types of question we have practiced last day. Same type of question practiced last day. We have practiced the same types of question on the last day. Same to same type. Strawberry and cones are found in. Strawberry and cones are found in. Strawberry and cones are found in. Yes. Yes. Equisetum. Yes. Equisetum. Strawberry and cones are found in equisetum. Okay. Equisetum. Remember that. Strawberry and cones are found in equisetum. Equisetum. Remember, equisetum. Strawberry or cones are found in equisetum. Remember that. Yes, equisetum. Clear? Next question. Chloridian starch has the structure similar to. 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 Floridian starch has the structure similar to. Floridian starch has the structure similar to. Will you tell me? Floridian starch has the structure similar to. Floridian starch has the structure similar to. Yes. Yes, yes. Good. Try everyone. Yes. Very easy. Very easy. Very easy. Very easy. Correct, correct, correct. 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 Floridian starch. Floridian starch. Yes, yes. Very good. Very good. Option number 1. Remember that. Option number 1. Amylopectin and glycogen. Floridian starch is very much similar to the amylopectin and the glycogen. Clear? Going to the next one. Yes. Now, which of the following algae contain the mannitol as a reserve food material? Which of the following algae contain mannitol as reserve food material? Contain mannitol as reserve food material. Tell me. Which of the following algae contain mannitol as a reserve food material? All of these things related line to line NCERT we have practiced last day. All of these line to line NCERT we have practiced last day. Which of the following algae contain mannitol as reserve food material? Contain reserve food material. Tell me. Which of the following algae contain mannitol as reserve food material? As reserve food material. Which of the following algae contain mannitol as Which of the following algae contain mannitol as reserve food material? Quick, quick, quick. Everyone, easy question. Everyone, easy question. Quick, try it. Do fast, do fast. Others. Quick, quick, quick. 2021 NEET question. 2021 NEET question. 2021 NEET question. Yes. Chalo. Yes. Option number 4. Ectocarpus. Option number 4. Ectocarpus. These are all example based questions, so I am not going to the details. Acha, chalo. Genera like 2021, another question. Genera like Selaginella and Salvinia produce two kind of spore. They are known as, very easy, just KG level question. Genera like Selaginella and Salvinia. Genera like Selaginella and Salvinia produce two kinds of spore. They are known as genera like Selaginella and Salvinia produce two kinds of spore. They are known as, very easy, very easy, very easy. KG level question. Remember that, KG level question. Which one? Just KG level question. Genera like Selaginella and Salvinia produce two kind of spore. Such spore is known as a, yes. Yes. Other quick. Other quick. 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 Yeah. No, actually there is a typing mistake. Actually there is a, because if you remember we have practiced this. If you remember, we have practiced this. It need to be heterosaurus. Okay, the first one, it need to be heterosaurus. Clear? We have practiced this one. There is a typing mistake. There is a typing mistake. So heterosporus type, not heterosaurus. Heterosporus type. There is a typing mistake. Okay, clear? There is a typing mistake. Done? Option number 3. Next. Which of the following algae produce carrageen? 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 Already we got one question related to that. Already we have solved. Just few minutes ago we have solved. And that was given wrong. That was given wrong. Which one produce carrageen? Which type of algae produce carrageen? Which type of algae produce carrageen? Already related to that one question already we have solved. Already we have solved related to this carrageen. Yes, option number 2, red algae. Now this is 2021 question. This is 2021 question. Check that very carefully. This is 2021 question, and in 2016 maybe. In the 2016 phase 2, 2016 phase 2, check that same type of question came. Same type of, actually the thing is given in the options. Here it's actually given in the options. Check that one. So if we practice the PYQ now and understand each and everything, then it will be covered. Remember, minimum 20 to 30% it's get repeated from entire NEET syllabus. Data will be changed. Data will be changed. Clear? So 2021 question. Okay, next question. Gamma are found in. Gamma are present in. Gamma are present in. Gamma are present in. Very easy. Gamma are present in. Gamma are present in. Tell me quickly. Gamma are present in. Gamma are present in. Gamma are present in. Quick. Gamma are present in. Gamma are present in. Gamma cup. They are the present in. Gamma or gamma cup present in. Yes. Option number 3, some liver roots. Gamma cup present in some liver roots. Now, match the following column. Match this one. Match this. Quickly match this. Spirogyra, fern, funaria, and cycas given. Spirogyra, fern, funaria, and cycas given. Spirogyra, fern, funaria, and cycas given. Spirogyra, fern, funaria, cycas given. So which one is the correct match? We have to identify the correct match. Quick, quick, quick. Tell me which one is a correct. Which one is correct here? Tell me which one is correct. Quick, 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 everyone. Try it. Try it, everyone. Try it, everyone. Quick, quick, quick. Where are you guys? Quickly try it. I need answer quickly. Spirogyra, fern, funaria, cycas given. Which one is the right answer? Tell me which one is the right answer. Which one is the right answer? Which one is the right answer? Which one is the right answer? Yes. Yes. One answer we got. Only one answer. One answer we got. Tell me. Tell me next. One answer we got. Tell me the next. One answer we got. Tell me the next. One answer we got. Tell me the next. Tell me the next one. One answer we got. See here, Spirogyra will match with dominant haploid free living gametophyte. Spirogyra is dominant free living haploid gametophytes. Okay. Now, fern with alternating diploid sporophyte, alternating with reduced gametophyte called as a prothallus. Okay, so this is matched with A with the two, A2 presenting only in the option 1. Option 1 is the correct. Remember that. Option 1 is the correct. Clear? Option 1 is the correct. Option 1 is the correct. I'm going to the next one. Which of the following is incorrectly matched? Which of the following is incorrectly matched? Which one is a incorrectly matched? Question number 19. Question number 19. Which one is incorrectly matched? Which one is incorrectly matched? Quick, quick, quick. Quick. Which one is incorrectly matched? Quick. Yes. So Ulothrix is given as a mannitol, and we have to identify the incorrect one. We have to identify the incorrect one. Is it or not? We have to identify the incorrect one. Now, so here, which one it need to be? Because Ulothrix is a member of chlorophyce or green algae. Na? Ulothrix is a member of chlorophyce or green algae. So reserve food material, it need to be a starch. It need to be a starch. Is it or not? And mannitol, it's a reserve food material for. Mannitol is a reserve food material for brown algae. Clear, no? So first one is wrong. And that you are talking about. Or sir. Fern. Fern is a. Fern have vascular tissue. Fern is a bryophytes or pteridophyte or gymnosperm. Fern is a pteridophyte, na? Fern is a pteridophyte. So dominant life phase, so it's a diploid sporophyte. Is it or not? Dominant life cycle is a diploid sporophyte. Fern is a pteridophyte. Remember that. So dominant life cycle stage is a diploid sporophytic stage. Clear? Next question. Hydrocolloid carrageen is obtained from. Same type of question. Same carrageen related 3 question we got. Carrageen related 3 question we got. Hydrocolloid carrageen is obtained from. Hydrocolloid carrageen is obtained from. Quick. Which one? Which option correct? Hydrocolloid carrageen is obtained from. Quick. Everyone. Hydrocolloid carrageen is obtained from. Yes. Which one? Quick. Hydrocolloid carrageen is obtained from. Where we obtain the hydrocolloid carrageen? Quick. NEET 2022. Same type of question are coming. Same question types are asking. Related type. It's a very easy. Very easy. Which one? Remember that. They have water holding capacity. Water holding capacity. Remember that. Yes. So obtained from rhodophyceae. It's obtained from the rhodophyceae. Same types of question come. Clear? Same types of question. Same carrageen, same algene. Only these are the areas of the question. Next, assertion and reason. So in gymnosperm, the pollen grains are released from the microsporangium and carried by the air currents. Assertion and reason based question given. In gymnosperm, the pollen grain are released from the microsporangium are carried by the air current. Reason given. Air current carry the pollen grain to the mouth of the archegonium where the male gametes are discharged and pollen tubes is not formed. Tell me, which option is correct here? Assertion, reason based question. Assertion, reason based question. Tell me. Tell me, question is on your screen. Question number 21. Question number 21. Which option is correct? Question number 21. Question number 21. Which one is correct here? Everyone, quick. Which one? Everyone try it. Very easy though. Very easy. Very easy. What is given here? Pollen tube not formed. Pollen tube do not form. Is it? Pollen tube do not form. So assertion to correct na, but reason is false. Assertion is correct, but the reason is false. Yes. That's why I'm marking that pollen tube is not formed. Pollen tube is not formed, na? Is it? Because line is given. Pollen tube is not formed. That is my question. Here. So reason is false. So assertion is true, but the reason is false. Second option. Assertion is true, reason is false. Clear? Assertion is true, but the reason is false. Next. Tell me. Again, two statement given. The first stage of the gametophyte in the life cycle of the moss is a protonema. Reason given, protonema develop directly from the spores, producing capsule. The first stage of the gametophyte in the life cycle of the moss is protonema stage. Reason given, protonema develop directly from the spore, produce the capsule. Produced in capsule. Tell me. 2023 question. 2023 question. Which option correct? 2023 question. Tell me. Which option here? Tell me. Which option? Which option? Yes. Question number 22. Question number 22. So both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Both reason and assertion both are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Remember that. Direct question came. Now, identify the pairs of heterosporous pteridophytes among the following. Identify the pairs of heterosporous pteridophyte among the following. Which one is a heterosporous? 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 You have to identify the heterosporous. Heterosporous. Yes, they are heterosporous. But Xylotum, Equisetum, Lycopodium, they all are homosporous. Is it or not? Only Selaginella and Salvinia, they are the heterosporous. Clear? Done? Going to the next one. Study this. NEET 2024. So here some statement is given and we have to check the correct statement. Asexual reproduction occur usually by the biflagellate zoospore. Asexual reproduction occur usually by the biflagellate zoospore. Next is given sexual reproduction is by oogamous method. Third is given stored food is in the form of carbohydrate which is either mannitol or laminarin. Next given the major pigment found within the chlorophyll A, C and carotenoids and xanthophylls. Last given vegetative cell have a cellulosic wall. usually covered on the outside of the gelatinous coating of algin? Tell me which option is a correct here. Tell me which one. Which one? Yes, option 4. Option 4. Because A, C, D, E all correct. But here it's given sexual reproduction for phaeophyce is oogamous only. I told you earlier also. Last day also we have seen some of the question like that. Only. Only terminology. Here oogamous to chalo it's observed. Okay. Oogamous observed. But it's not the only. Remember that. It's not the only. It's not the only cycle which actually observed. Also isogamy is also observed. Remember that. Also isogamous is also right. Which one? Which option correct? Tell me. Which option correct? Which option correct here? Which option correct here? Which option correct here? Which option correct here? Quick, quick, be fast. Which option correct here? Although this is not the topic of this chapter, but right. Which option is correct here? Rhizopus is a Rhizopus is a bread mold. Rhizopus is a bread mold. Is it or not? Stilago is a Stilago is a Tell me which option here? Which option? Yes. Yes, only one answer I got. Only one answer I get. Only one answer I get. Yes, 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 yes. Puccinia is a Puccinia is a rust fungi. Agaricus is a mushroom. So Stilago is a smart fungus. Okay, option number 2. Although this question is from biological classification. So next one. NEET question. Identify the incorrect one. Identify the incorrect pair. Identify the incorrect pair. Which one is incorrect here? Which one is incorrect here? Which statement is incorrect here? Which statement is incorrect here? Quick, quick, quick. Which option is correct here? Which option? Incorrect identification. Incorrect identification. Quick, quick. Yes, 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 yes. So spin of cedar, na? It need to be equisetum. It need to be equisetum. Clear? It need. Question number 27. Which of the following is a correct match? Which of the following is a correct match? Very easy. Very easy. Which of the following is a correct match? Which of the following is a correct match here? Which of the following is a correct match here? Quickly tell me. Tell me. Which of the following is a correctly match? Correct match. Which one is correctly matched? Yes, yes, yes. Option number 1. Gymnosperm, Sidra, Spinous and Sequoia. Remember that. Okay. Next. 2025. This year NEET question. Which of the following characteristic features of the gymnosperm? KG level question. Now, people are talking about NEET question is tough. We have seen the question in Animal Kingdom. Now, if by answering this, you will be a doctor, understand that. Here, the biological score need to be 360 out of 360. Which of the following is the characteristic features of gymnosperm? Which one is the characteristic features of gymnosperm? Tell me. See, what will be the possible one that more easy than this? I don't think so. That any question exists that which one is easy than that one. Which one? Yes, seeds are naked. Seeds are naked. Seeds are naked, na? Chalo. Next question. Match this. Match this one. Match this one. Quick. Match these both column. Match these both column. Match these both column. Be fast. Match these both column. Pteridophyte, bryophytes, angiosperm and gymnosperm given. In another side, salvia, ginkgo, polytrichum and salvinia given. So which one is the right answer here? Which one is the right answer? Which one is the right answer here? Tell me. Which one is the right answer? Quick, quick, quick. Which one is the right here? Which one is the right answer? You have to match this. You have to match this. Which one? Yes, yes, yes. Ginkgo biloba is a Ginkgo biloba related with one question we have practiced last day. Now gymnosperm is a Ginkgo biloba. So D with the 2. D2 present in 2 option. First and last. First and last. Is it or not? First and last. Now, pteridophytes. Pteridophyte is a Selaginella. A4. So option number D correct. Clear? Option number D correct. Understand that. Gymnosperm, ginkgo, which is very easy to remember. Gymnosperm with the ginkgo. Now pteridophyte with the Selaginella. Bas answer came. Okay. Now next one. In bryophytes, gamma help in which of the following one? In bryophytes, gamma help in which of the following one? Which of the following one? Gamma helps in which of the following? Now I don't know what is the possibility that in any NEET, I don't know that much of easy question also will be asked in 2026 or not. Paper very easy, whatever we can see. In bryophytes, the gamma helps in which of the following functions? So gamma helps in asexual reproduction. Any KG level student will also answer it. Asexual reproduction. Is it na? Asexual reproduction. Yes. Chalo. Next one. Next question. Next question. We have to see the correct sequence. Which event is fast? Life cycle of pteridophytes given. Life cycle of pteridophytes given. So which event is fast? We have to check. Which event is fast? Then which event is second, like that. Which event is fast? Which event is second, like that. We have to choose. Pteridophyte life cycle. Pteridophyte life cycle. Which option? Which one is the first stage of the pteridophytes? Whatever we can see, which one is the first stage of the pteridophytes? Which one is the first stage of the pteridophytes? Why? What you have done in this year NEET? What you have done this year NEET? Have you marked the correct one, this one? Okay. Chalo, which one? Which one is the first? Which one is the first here? Tell me quick. Quick. Everyone, try it. Try it. Quick. Which one is the first stage here? Which one? Obviously, not that meiosis in spore mother cell, that is the first stage. Meiosis is the first spore mother cell. So option B and D. Here is the answer. Option B and D. Here is the answer. So second stage fertilization. Third stage. Sorry. Second stage is prothallus stage. Prothallus. Third stage is formation of archegonia and antheridia in the gametophytes. Third stage. Fourth stage, transfer of the anthrozoid to the archegonia in the presence of the water. Fourth stage. And the fifth stage is fertilization. So option number C correct. Next. The last question in our segment. Quickly. Correct one. Correct sequence of event for bryophytes. One, the pteridophyte came, another is bryophyte came. Quick. Correct sequence of events for the bryophytes. Correct sequence of event. Quick. Correct sequence of event for the bryophytes. Quick. The last question. The last PYQ. Total 31 PYQ is there. Tell me. Which one is correct here? Which one? See, the attachment of the gametophyte to the substratum is the first. So B present first in the A and D. Second. Second, E is given in everyone. So chalo E is second. Third, A given. So third A, I'll not study. See how I am solving. First, we have to just identify. First is given in A and D. Identify. Now, among A and D, you just check. E and A is same. E and A is same. But differ in the D and C. Differs in the D and C. There is a difference. Only that area. D and C. Which one is the first? So, fourth stage, formation of the sporophyte. Formation of the sporophyte. And the fifth stage is the reduction, division to produce the haploid spore. Is the fifth. Remember that. Option number 1 correct. Option number 1 correct. So these are the entire solving. Why? Okay, chalo. This is the entire of the solving of animal kingdom. Remember that. Entire solving. So till now total 31 question came. Okay, I have not taken the extra NEET paper here. Extra NEET paper we will solve bit later. Extra NEET paper. Re-NEET 2024 question I have given, but some other extra NEET paper is also available. So that paper will solve bit later, or I'll upload in my WhatsApp and Telegram groups for the solving purpose. So as the maximum, let's check the main thing. Here 34 students have voted, and among that the major vote came from 65% for cell division. So I'm doing just one thing. Cell division I'll discuss next week, this upcoming week. Okay, class will be Wednesday and Thursday. Remember that class will be Wednesday and Thursday. PYQ discussion will be in the weekend. Class will be on the Wednesday and Thursday. If Wednesday done, to Wednesday. If Thursday required, then I will mention on the Thursday. Clear? On the Wednesday that the class will be on the Thursday or not. So please remember the class, because the maximum vote came for the cell division. Like that, I will give every week the topic name. Okay, so this week I'll going to discuss about the cell cycle, cell division. Next week I'll give another topic on the Sunday. So on that I'll take the vote and I'll discuss on that topic. So next class will be on the Wednesday from 7:30 p.m. If required, if the session proceeds, if I see the number of questions are high, then we will take another session on the Thursday. Clear? Okay, so next class on the Wednesday from 7:30 p.m. Remember that. Topic, cell cycle, cell division. Same line to line NCERT will study, will solve the question. And in the weekend, like either Saturday or Sunday, according to I'll be available. So according to that, I'll schedule the class. Either on the Saturday or Sunday will be PYQ discussion of that respective chapter. So remember that the next class will be Wednesday 7:30 p.m. Clear? Clear? Bye everyone. Good night. Have a good day. Please revise your syllabus. Upcoming NEET 2026. I think it will be good for you guys. Okay? So study hard. We will try to cover the maximum number of questions in my YouTube live session. We'll try to solve. Clear? Because Plan Kingdom, as I told you, maximum question came as a example oriented. So here you have to do your short notes. Okay? Okay? Okay. Chalo. Bye. Have a good night. So remember, next class will be Wednesday, 7:30 p.m. in my YouTube channel. So I'll make the update tomorrow in the evening time. Okay. So next class, Wednesday, 7:30 p.m. Chalo. Having a good night. Bye bye.